Have you ever grabbed your phone, opened Google, and typed how to make money online? If the answer is yes, you are in a massive opportunity. Maybe that search changed your life, or maybe, like most people, it left you with even more doubt and confusion. I get it. The internet is packed with promise, quick wins, overnight fortunes. Everyone has a simple system, but here is the truth. Most people bounce from one method to the next, searching for that missing piece. And the dream fizzles out. What if I told you that almost everyone, whether you are a student, a parent, a retiree, or someone just feeling stuck, could start making money online just by getting honest about three straightforward questions: why, how, and where. In next couple of minutes, I will break down each question, give you the actual process to answer them for yourself, and show how people with nothing but a smartphone or a laptop flip their lives around, often in 30 days or less. This isn't a theory. You will get exercises, real stories, and the exact step-by-step actions that work, even you are starting from zero. So grab something to take notes and let's get started. Get rich online advices, keep people stuck, and a better way to begin. Having a step-by-step game plan for transforming your actual interest and goals into real trackable income. Learn the psychological shift and practical actions that turn scrolling into results. If you stick around, I will share how to leverage AI for easy, beginner-friendly online income, even if tech intimidates you. Here is how we will break it down. The real power of a clear why and how to find one that keeps you moving when others give up. Step by step on figuring out your how. So you only try strategies that match your skills, interests, the often ignored secret, choosing exactly where to focus and why jumping around is the #1 income killer. Stories and real proof from people who started with nothing and now make anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars online. A roadmap for dealing with setbacks and resetting if you stumble, and stacking little wins. Your next day action plan for actually making a start. Ready? Most folks think you need connections, technical skills, or a big following. But here is what they are missing. When you answer three questions honestly, you build a map for success that most never find. Let's start with the question almost nobody takes seriously. Why do I need to make money online? Sounds simple, right? But every success story you envy, whether that's a YouTuber, an Etsy seller, a digital freelancer, starts here. Everyone else, they quite get distracted or bounce as soon as things get hard. Let's make it real. Grab a pen, I will wait. Write down what is the first thing you will do if $1,000 hit your bank account right now. Push further. If you had $7,000 a week from now, how would your week look different? What about $30,000 a month, $100,000 a year? What really changes for you? Your family, your lifestyle? See, most people never think past pay the bills, but those who get specific, I want to move my parents closer, I want to quit retail and see my kids, or I want freedom to travel after 15 years in one city. They find energy, reserves you can't imagine. Let's talk about Jordan, a single mom who tried 3 side hustles: service, dropshipping, and digital products. Each one failed until she finally wrote her real why on a sticky note: buy mom a house in 3 years. That's why turned obstacles into fuels. She started making content, learned from mistakes, and after 9 months, her digital Etsy shop was pulling $25,000 per month. It wasn't magic. Her why kept her back on track. Soccer without goalpost is chaos. Your why is that goalpost. Pause the video now and really do this. Don't move on until you can write out your why. It makes you a little emotional, excited, nervous, driven. If you're stuck, just drop a comment why and I will send you a little prompt to figure it out. Now let's move on to the next question. How do you actually make this work? Thousands of videos dump dozens of tactics, YouTube, freelancing, ebooks, print on demand, etc., etc., etc. Here is the secret. You only need to start with one thing that excites you, that you do for free, or a tiny problem that you can solve. Let's dig in. List 5 things that you will talk someone's ear off about for hours. List 3 things friends or co-workers always come to you for help with. Not any recurring hobby, habit, or obsession. Now, look online. Is anyone making money with something similar? Google it, check YouTube, search Etsy. If people pay for it, it's game on. Don't believe me? Here are 3 people. Priya, a high school teacher, loved designing worksheet for her own class. She started selling editable version on Teachers Pay Teachers. Last year, $20,000 in side income in just 2 hours a week. Brandon, he was a gaming nerd. He started a TikTok account sharing hidden controls for beginners. Sponsor reaching out at 12k followers. Now he is making way more than his old day job. Sherry, who read 2 books per week and posted quick reviews online. The tiny habit became a Substack newsletter with 9,000 paid subscribers. All because she showed up daily for 6 months. Can't pick, document a learning journey. I am starting freelance writing from scratch. That is what works. Or tackle small annoyance in daily life. Real money is in real boring problems. If you chase what excites others, you will burn out. If you follow your genuine interest, persistence follows. Here is a hard truth. Most beginners does not fail because they are lazy, but because they spread themselves thin across too many platforms. The answer: focus on one. Pick a platform that fits your skills and stick with it for 90 days, no matter what. Love talking? Try YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Are you a writer? Medium, Substack, or start a blog? Designer or artist? Etsy, Redbubble, or freelancing sites like Fiverr. Love coaching or helping? Become a virtual assistant. Join Expert Marketplace. Write down platforms you already use for fun. Pick the one where your skills overlap and your target audience hangs out. Do not chase the hot new things every week. Andre published 120 YouTube shorts in 3 months. The first 60, nothing. Then viewership and sales picked up. And by month 4, he had doubled his total side income. All from patient consistency. Beginner to intermediate to advanced. First 10 projects just show up and hit, publish, post, or ship. Don't worry about perfection. Next 30, analyze what's resonating. Where is the feedback? Last 50, double down on your unique angle. Automate, repeat tasks. Maybe collaborate with others. Remember, consistency creates luck online. Let's pause. Here is what trips most beginners. Perfectionism. Waiting for the perfect idea or setup. Shiny object syndrome. Every new video promises a new method. Overnight success myth. You believe it, you are not rich in 3 weeks. You have failed. The reality, every major online earner you will see started where you are failed and course created. That overnight TikTok success, usually 200 plus quiet posts before going viral. Set micro wins. Can you post once today? Send one offer, learn one new thing and apply it. Progress is greater than perfection. Action kills fear. Each small step gives momentum for the next. Here is the best part. This isn't just theory. Case number 1, Lisa, new to freelancing, had 0 clients. She started writing about her learning as she went. First contact, $50 for blog posts. Within 6 months, that was $1,200 per month, all from documenting her baby steps. Case number 2, Eddie, a retired engineer. hated the idea of retiring to nothing. He reviewed gadgets, basic, honest, just phone short videos. 18 months later, 13,000 YouTube subscribers and monthly affiliate payouts. Can I do this if I have zero to invest? Yes, use free tools. Document your process, reinvest your first 100. How long until money shows up? Depends on effort, platform, and adjustment. 90 days is a realistic first milestone. Do I need fancy gear or editing? Not at first. Authentic, clear content beats high production. Upgrade as you grow. Let's recap. First, discovered your why, not make money, but the real motivating reasons to keep pushing. Next, found your why, matching your interests and skills with proven income streams. Then you committed to your where. Choosing one platform, focusing hard for 90 days. Here is your new belief. Making money online doesn't start with tools or trends. It starts with honest answers, small actions, and real focus. You are just one clear decision away from a completely different life. You don't need permission, you need momentum, and you can build that today. Take action, share what you accomplish, and let's build something life changing together.